So there's this guy in my Discord. He's literally like crashing out, bro. And I'm very unsure. Well, I say I'm unsure, even though I know why. Like you guys are like actually handicapped, but it's okay because I'm here to. I am not only am I the same, as you can tell by my fucking gigantic schnauzer that I have on my fucking face, but I am here to teach you how to um what the fuck am I doing today, bro? I don't know. But daily bias, drawn liquidity. That's what we're doing. I knew that. I'm sorry. Let's do the draws and liquidity. Okay, guys. Okay. No more joking around now. Fuck off. There you go. Perfect. What day is this? The 2nd of April. What a fucking troll. I don't want to do this shit. Okay, hold up. New session. Dick and balls. Let's give ourselves a billion. Just that's retarded. Okay. Let's just do NQ. And let's do like bro, let's do October 2024, bro. October 2024 was pretty good. Oh my god. My god. don't just all over my face. Don't just all over my face. Don't just all over my face. Oh my god, dick and balls, bro. The fuck, bro? Get me inside the dick and balls right now, bro. There we go. Okay, guys, we're inside the dick and balls. I'm gonna be showing you how to find your draws and liquidity. Stop doing that, bro. Stupid ass chart. Okay, let's go to what is this? Let's go to custom settings. Start of New York session. We're gonna do 8:30 because that's when you guys should be on your fucking charts. If you aren't, then you're cooked, my boy. You okay. Oh my god, bro. It's because I have my fucking time in UTC. Who does that shit? Why? Why does bro, why? Like so stupid. Anyways, we're gonna be finding out our dick and balls. So let's say it's 8:30, which it is. Obviously it's 8:30. We're gonna be finding out our draw on liquidity. So let's say it's 8:30 and we're like, okay guys, it's gonna be market open at 9:30. Let's mark out 9:30 and let's lock the tool so we don't take it out by accident. Okay, cool. Let's go to the 1 hour because this is what we're gonna be doing when we're actually day trading. That's what we do with day trade, you fucking day traders. I wasn't gonna say anything else, don't worry. Here's how you find your draw on liquidity. Price wants to move in two different price wants to move in two different directions. I need my coffee. Oh. Towards your draw on liquidity or to fill an imbalance. Okay. So right here on the 1 hour, let's see what price has done. So price hasn't taken fucking shit, bro. No liquidity. What the flip? It's tapped into this order block, I guess. Yeah. Okay, sure. Whatever. It's tapped into the order block. It's filled that imbalance over there because it's a fucking confluence. It's an imbalance. All confluences are imbalances pretty much, I guess. And then price comes up to take this liquidity. Okay. But what has price done now? It has broken structure to the upside. So we have a closure above the most recent high. So what are we looking for? Longs, baby girl. Longs. Okay. But what do we need to do before we can go up? We got to go back down. So let's scale to the lower time frame because we don't really see anything on the 1 hour. Half hour, not much. 15-minute. We have a draw on liquidity right here. Boom. So what do I want to see price do? I want to see price touch me in the booty hole. I want to see price take that draw on liquidity. Boom. And it just did. What's the next thing that I want to see? Like I said, higher time frame holds more power. And we just took our draw on liquidity. So we got to look for the next draw on liquidity. So technically draw on liquidity can be two different things. A lot of people consider it as like liquidity, like actual liquidity, like this, right? And some people consider it as that and an imbalance because it's like you're drawing to your next liquidity pool. Why do I keep looking over here, bro? I'm sorry, guys. because it's an imbalance and it's filled with liquidity, right? But we don't really call it that. Okay, so whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. So price is taking out this liquidity pull down here. Now it is continuing to go down, and it may just break structure towards the downside. We're about to find out. It's has not yet has to touch, sorry, not touch, but break this low. It doesn't. It sweeps the low, right? And now I want to see it trend higher because it has taken this low, and has not broken structure yet, because we need a closure. We need a body closure below the previous high / low wick, which we haven't got yet. So this would be our breakup structure, which we have not gotten. So it's BOS. Let's call it BOS. So structure is not broken towards the downside yet. Therefore, we are sold in an uptrend. Okay. On the hard time frame, we're kind of chopping it up. Not really a directional bias. Besides like long, it was kind of like short here than long, but you'll pick it up with time. Don't worry. Okay. Whoa. Don't know what happened there, but we're clearly in an uptrend now, because not only have we broken structure towards, well, we have been breaking structure towards the upside, because this was our structure break, right? And we haven't yet to break structure beneath this low. Well, technically we broke it here, but actually, yeah, no, I'm retarded. This is technically a break of structure towards the downside. Yeah, but then again, the higher time frame holds more power. There's more candles pointing upward. So therefore, if you were to like go to the 1 hour, it's saying that, oh wow, look at that. On the one, see how it works now? On the 1 hour, we have broken structure towards the upside, but not towards the downside in the 1 hour. But if we go to the 5 minute, you guys see it now? How the higher time, you'll understand it with time. Don't worry. It took me a while as well. So the market opened, right? And we're sure, oh shit, we're going up. We broke structure towards the upside, especially on the 5 minute. What are we looking to target? Probably an imbalance or some liquidity. So let's go to the higher time frame. By the way, you should have had these marked out before market open. But I'm just kind of going through it. I'm sorry if I keep moving the fucking screen so much. I'm actually like a little sped. Here we have a fair value gap. Boom. Obviously the wicks don't overlap, so I'm able to draw that out. I don't know why my fair value gap is pink. Whatever. More power to the females. So we have our fair value gap here. I want to see price draw towards it. You also have some liquidity over here as well, which is super nice. We can also kind of extend this fair value gap if we technically want to take the half hour instead of the 1 hour. And even if it's, guys, look at this. This is some thoughts about fair value gaps. So on the 1 hour, it's like smaller, but on the half hour, it's bigger. You generally want to look at like the bigger one, right? Because on the 1 hour, it's a little bit smaller, and there's a chance it could just reject the bottom half of it, but it's unlikely. It's more likely to range up here though. I like to use bigger fair value gaps. Doesn't matter what time frame we're in. Obviously the higher time frame generically holds more power, but it's just, again, market experience. You guys will understand when the guys actually do it. No point in me explaining that. Let us see this right here. See, price comes up, takes all of this imbalance liquidity. Now I want to see it draw back down because it's taken the imbalance. So what are we looking for now? No imbalances in the 1 hour. None on the 30 minute. We have one on the 15 minute. Perfect. Fair value gap. Right? So the way that we're trending, I want to see us take liquidity. That's your drawn liquidity. So like, for example, this is our like main drawn liquidity over here. Okay, up here, this purple line. I'll name it DOL, drawn liquidity. Liquidity. Okay. Because we're trending up. If we're trending up and then going down to keep going back up, we're trying to fill an imbalance. So watch this. I want to see us take this. Oh, we didn't even take the fair value gap. We just shut up and took the drawn liquidity. So what do I want to see us do now after we took this drawn liquidity? Whoa. You guys guessed it. You guys guessed it. If you guys guessed it, then you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Say you're a good boy. I'm 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 a good boy. Boom, baby. I bet you didn't expect that, motherfuckers. The fucking fair value gap gets filled. Then we go, which way do we go, guys? I wonder which way we go. Oh my God. 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 Oh. We go back up. my God, you guys are such good boys. Where do I want to see us go? Take this draw on liquidity that we formed. And this is most likely, let me check the 1 minute real quick. No, forget what I said. I thought it would have been a data high because news sometimes happens at 10 and we had a gigantic wick, but we didn't. So we took that fair value yet. I want to see us, I don't want to see us go down to take any more imbalances yet. Maybe we'll like kind of like tap a little bit like this, but I don't want to see us taking imbalances. I want to see us take this draw on liquidity first because it's very strong. It's like a fucking magnet, right? So right here, I didn't mark it out, but we had a fair value gap and had a rejection, right? But then price decides to flip. We don't have an imbalance. Actually, that might be an order block. No, it's not. Never mind. But we did flip down. I want to see us keep going up, and we don't. We don't go up. We close below the previous low, and now we have broken structure towards the downside on the 15-minute time frame. Let's head to the half hour. Have we broken structure? Yes. 1 hour. Have we broken structure? Yes. 4 hour. Don't know. Have to be down here because that's the wick. Right? Now we're in a downtrend, guys. Wow, would you look at that? And what's going to happen once we're in this downtrend? Well, let's go to the higher time frame. It's like fucking rinse and repeat, guys. It's so easy. Let's take out this fair value gap. Boom. Now I want to see price trend up in this 250-minute fair value gaps as well. I want to see price go up. Wow, would you look at that? The wick goes, and I'll go to the lower time frame as well. It goes up and down, right? Or the 15-minute. So the candle opens here and closes here, but during this 15-minute time frame, we came up here and came down, but we closed here, right? Wow, it's filled that imbalance. Where I want to see us go now? Whoa, I wonder, guys. Maybe, just maybe, this fucking liquidity pulled down here. Wow, guys, what happens if we put the D in the ass, bro? Oh, we don't. Wow. So think about that. Think about that. Think about the fact that I just called out what would happen quite literally like maybe 8 or 9 times in a row. And the one time, and it's not even during our fucking session. This is like at like 3 p.m. We're not trading during this time, dude. The one time after all those correct call outs, I mess up. That is day trading. You get it right so many fucking times. Like it has to be wrong, but guess what? You're right way more times than you're wrong, especially if you're good at what you do. Thank you guys. I know. What do I keep saying, guys? Like I'm not speaking to multiple people. I'm speaking to one fucking person. Unless you're listening to this with like a bunch of people in your room. You doing that? You're doing a watch. You're doing an extra trades watch party. That'll be way fucking sick, bro. I can't why. So we have. So no, we kind of cooked this day, bro. Like I don't want to do this day anymore because it's during the bad session. Let's go to next silver bullet. Oh, I don't want to journal, bro. Relax, please. I hate journaling. Just kidding. Okay. Wow, we took this draw on liquidity, guys. Would you look at that? And we're in an uptrend. I wonder what we're going to target, guys. I'm gonna mark out this market open as well. Wow, guys. I wonder what we're gonna target. Maybe, just maybe, this next draw on liquidity, or this one, or this one, because we're in an uptrend. Let's see it, guys. So now it's 8:30 on the next day. We just finished doing our morning gooning session and we're on the charts. I think we just had some incredible news right here, which is why we went all the way up. Ooh, that reminds me about data lows and data highs. I gotta write that down somewhere. Because I gotta do a video on. Do I need to do a video on that? No. I'll save that for the advanced section. Hint, hint. Because you can like definitely get profitable with what I'm giving you right now, but like where if I were to talk about data lows and data highs, you would not understand shit. It just confusing more, and that's not what we're trying to do here, my boy. So we have fair value yet right here, but price has shot up so far that I honestly, yeah, it's not. I don't think it's gonna come back down to take it because we're just in an uptrend and the market hasn't even opened yet, right? So on the half hour. or the 1 hour as well, I guess. Whatever, half hour. We have gigantic fair value gap. I want to see us fill this fair value gap and then keep going up to take these draws in liquidity. And would you look at that? Price has inversed this fair value gap, meaning that we are now biased shorts on the 15-minute. So if we're looking for an entry, we'll go to the 5-minute, then the 1-minute, and then we'll find, like, you guys understanding this now, how to find your drawn liquidity. You want to find where price is drawing to next. That's it. Okay. As an example, so like, okay, now we entered a downtrend on the 15-minute. Yeah, because we took out, we closed below. I guess we can do the 5-minute. Because technically we didn't close below the previous low on the 15-minute. We did on the 5-minute. This is our most previous low. Let me get rid of this drawn liquidity. So yeah, we took liquidity. My bad. We took liquidity and then inverse the fair value gap. Let's just like, let's just pretend we have a fucking fair value gap. We'll probably do it on a different time frame, and I'm too lazy to find it. Boom. Wow, short entry until we take our internal liquidity. Wow, guys, that's so freaking epic. Okay, wow. We took our liquidity that we formed in the AM session, no, like night, like early AM in New York, which is like 6 a.m. and shit. Like, it's like 7, 6. We took all this liquidity out. What does that mean, guys? I wonder what that fucking means. Maybe we should take our asses to the freaking 15-minute chart and we should draw out this thick fair value gap right here. And I wonder what we're gonna do, guys. Oh my god, you guys are gonna be such good boys if you guess this correctly. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, it was a horny, bro. We gave up to the fair value gap and then we corrected the inbounds. That's insane, bro. And then after we correct, like, we didn't fully come up into it though, so it makes more sense for us to keep going up into it. Wow, guys, would you look at that? We came up into the fair value gap that I just marked out, touched around the 50% mark, and then continue going downwards. It's almost like you could have taken a short position here and made tens of billions of dollars like a freaking boss. And then where are we going next? Probably this liquidity that we formed. Oh my god, guys. And we retest it. That's a retest, guys. And then we close below it, meaning, see, bro, there we go. And then it's, bro, it's like fucking clockwork, bro. See how it's 12 o'clock and my bias is wrong now? See how it only becomes wrong when it's out of the fucking session that we trade, which is from 9:30 to 11. Wow, guys, that's freaking amazing. It's almost like the thing is so easy to do. Let's go to the next dick and ball session. What is happening, bro? Please. Next session. Dude, what is this beat? Oh, it's a weekend, that's why. I don't want Monday, October. Okay, guys. Wow. Yeah, this liquidity that we still have not taken. We still have not taken that liquidity or this liquidity. And we can mark out more liquidity, guys. I fucking love liquidity so much. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at all this liquidity. Look at all this liquidity, guys, that we have not taken out. I'm freaking out, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's not market open. 9:30. Whoa, what the? Where did you go, buddy? Bro, I swear I'm not doing that. I swear I'm not doing that. I swear on everything I know, I'm not doing that. It's doing it by itself. Look. Bro. Is my fucking PC possessed? Hello? Bro, what is, look, look. I'm gonna, look. I'm showing you my hands. Watch. Bro. 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 Let me try this one more time. Okay. Okay. Anyways, so as you can see here, we have our market open at 9:30. Let's go to the higher time frame to find our imbalances. We do have our, let's go to the 1 hour. Oh my god, look at this. Wow, guys, we're in a downtrend, right? Like, you go and look at the most recent leg, like, oh wow, on the 1 hour we're going down. What the fuck does that mean, guys? Maybe we're targeting this drawn liquidity down here, guys. And what is this right here that we have? A fucking fair value gap. And what do you think is gonna happen? What do you think is gonna happen in this fair value gap, guys? Oh my god, we chop. We inverse the fair value gap. That's what happens. And we break the trend structure towards the upside on the what? 15 1 hour? No, 15 minute. Yeah, because this is like the most like recent. Like here's actually a very good tip. This is low key some game. If you guys are having a hard time determining where the most recent high is, head over and favorite the line tool. Boom, baby. This is like technically the most recent high. I wouldn't like use this in like in terms of like technical analysis. I would use it in terms of like market intuition. Like if you've been around the charts long enough, you'll know kind of like for example, okay, we have to close above. Like, let me go to the 5 minute real quick. Okay, we got to close above like here for an example. We don't. We're just chopping it up. Yeah, whatever. We haven't broken structure on the what is this? We're on the 15 minute yet because we have to take this high. So we're still an overall downtrend. So I'll be looking for shorts. We kind of chopped it up in this fair value gap. It got super messy, and this happens sometimes. This is quite literally just bad price action. But it's crazy how I'll show you guys a bunch of good price action and a bunch of bad price action. This liquidity did just get barely swept though. So I'll take that out. Now we want to see ourselves going down to go where? I don't know, guys. Maybe take a freaking imbalance. And we don't have any. We actually have an order block because we have liquidity right here. Got swept. Wow. Wow. Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy how you see this right here. This liquidity. So you take the body and then you do this. And wow, guys, it's an order block. It's almost like it's an imbalance. And then if I go to the 5 minute, I wonder what the fuck's going to happen. Guys, and we see we're in an uptrend of the 5 minute and we go down, but we tap into an order block. I wonder what's going to happen. Bro, I'm going to like pull my pants down and just start shaking my freaking ass right now, bro. Dead ass. Like, how are you not making money doing this, bro? You guys are going to drive me freaking crazy, I swear. Do I even need to go on FX replay? Go and try this out yourself. I'm not going to make this video any longer than it needs to. That's how you find your drawn liquidity. It's quite literally just imbalances in fucking liquid and high and low resistance liquidity. Like, I just showed you 3 back-to-back examples with every single one of them being 100% accurate. Come on now. Don't be like that.